Unveiling the Beauty, the power of a beauty to behold. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's as poetic as it is descriptive. A beauty to behold. This expression is not just about recognizing beauty but experiencing it deeply. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and the impact it can have on your English communication skills. A beauty to behold refers to something so strikingly beautiful or impressive that it demands attention and admiration. The key components here are beauty and behold. Beauty, in this context, is not limited to physical attractiveness but encompasses anything that can be appreciated for its aesthetic, emotional, or intellectual appeal. To behold, then, means to see or observe something, but with a nuance of deep appreciation and awe. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from natural landscapes and artistic creations to personal achievements and qualities. For example, describing a stunning sunset, the sunset over the mountains was a beauty to behold. Complimenting someone's work, your painting is truly a beauty to behold. It's a way to express admiration that goes beyond the surface, suggesting that the beauty in question has a profound effect on the observer. Using such a phrase does more than just describe. It conveys the speaker's emotional response and invites the listener to share in that feeling of awe and appreciation. It enriches the conversation, making it more vivid and impactful. This expression also reflects a deep appreciation for aesthetics and the ability to be moved by beauty, qualities that are celebrated in many cultures around the world. To incorporate a beauty to behold into your English, start by observing your surroundings and notice what genuinely moves you or catches your eye. Then, try describing those moments or things using this phrase, either in writing or in conversation. Remember, the goal is to convey not just the beauty of what you're describing but also your personal reaction to it. A beauty to behold is more than a phrase. It's an invitation to look deeper, appreciate more fully, and share our experiences of beauty with others. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to seek out and recognize the beauties in your world. Until next time, keep learning and keep looking for those beauties to behold. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been helpful.